Since I'm being honest, some days feel like work. Some days I don't want to get out the bed right away. Some nights I want to get off early and just do nothing or scroll on YouTube. And there's other moments I have to remind myself that I decided to live intentionally, and this year I just want to be different. I don't want to end my year and not have any new things to show for it. That I'm working towards something this time.
And then as you exhale, gentle twist to your left. Right hand comes to the left knee. Left fingertips can come behind, and you want to be careful not to push or force here.
I am dressed now. I'm just wearing a t-shirt and biker shorts today because we're supposed to be going to a birthday party this morning around 11. The earliest party I've gone to, honestly, but it's for a little one, a 2-year-old, so that's good. So yeah, I wanted to keep going because as you guys saw, I did wake up this morning and do yoga. I'm just trying to get myself back into the habit of doing good things and listening to that small voice and living intentionally. That way I'm not going to bed with I should have and regrets in mind. Why are all that stuff by the table? Anywho.
They have a good talks video. Before I hit them.
Yeah. Okay. So we're here. It's windy. Yeah.
It does the same.
So I'm sitting on the couch working today. Usually I do not. I sit at the table so I can actually focus. But it's Tuesday. It's a lighter work day for me. So I'm just going through and checking requests that we have from clients and doing like some back end admin stuff like paperwork right now while cooking dinner, and my baby's over here sleeping. So is the puppy, just in case you're wondering. So yeah, I'm gonna work for about another hour and a half. Oh, about an hour and 10 minutes. And then head out and get the kids from school and practice. So yeah, I didn't want to bore y'all with that part, but it's real life. A real intentional living. I was just watching some videos, well, listening to videos before I fell asleep. Took like a 10-minute nap. And they were saying how subscriber count and stuff don't matter. Like pretty much that is dead now. And just talking about how AI is taking over. And it just almost sounds like people are getting bored with social media in a way. Because I know sometimes I can be too. That's why when I create, I don't get so bored of it. It's too much consumption. That's all it is. When you consume too much of anything, it could be, you can need a break from it, you know. And yeah, sometimes things fade out too. I don't think this will because of how versatile it could be. You could use it for tutorials, you could use it for motivation, for background music. So I don't think it will, but it's just insightful sometimes to look through and hear what other people have to say on the subject. Okay, anyway, let me get back to work now. So I've never done this part before, but I'm filling out like employee kind of paperwork and doing the W-2, I think it is. Probably. but I'm on the IRS's website just to estimate the amount of federal withholding. It like breaks it down step by step for you. I didn't even know this was something that you could do. So, okay guys, so I have kale cooking right now. And then this sweet potatoes recipe that I saw on TikTok, they just sliced it in half, seasoned it, and then baked it. So that's what I did to save myself time. I believe I showed you guys the chicken already, but I'll show y'all one more time before they eat it all up. Okay, so here's the chicken under here. That's the chicken. So chicken, sweet potatoes, and kale. That's dinner. And it's about $4.22. So when I say to you guys, like at the start of this video, that sometimes I really just don't feel like getting out of bed, because like once I'm going, it's just go, go, go. I really mean it. And I'm not done, but I'm not complaining. I'm gonna keep on keeping on because the energy is good. So yeah, I just want to use it while I have it. And I'm just grateful for the things I do have, the opportunity to move slow, the opportunity to be able to have food like this to cook for my family. And yeah, anyway, let me just keep going. I have about 15 minutes until I need to leave the house for the day. So I'm going to keep moving until then. That's how I used to do videos. She's crazy to put up with you. Friday, and I'm ready to flame. Pick up my girls and hit the party scene tonight. Oh, it's alright.